that we can stand together united as one Mahasangha, as great disciples of the Buddha, and also the great Venerable Mahasangha that are coming from all directions to be here to perform the very sacred teachings of hearing the words of the Buddha, coming back to the sacred land of India under the sacred Bodhi tree. I would like to now introduce, because Venerable U Nyanananda is our president of ITCC, and this is being organized by International Tibetan Chanting Council. Each member is an abbot of the local viharas here in Bodh Gaya, and Venerable U Nyanananda is our most senior president of ITCC. Our Vice President, Venerable Mahachalam, is from Thailand. On behalf of the Thai Sangha here, I would like to warmly welcome Venerable Mahachalam to welcome this year's host, this year's organizer for this year, 2019 and 2020, Vietnam Chief Organizer. We're so proud of you,